Hello everyone and welcome. Bogart Willie here. I'm gonna need you to go fuck yourself. Okay. Alright.
Yes, sir!
Once upon a time, in the glow of your eyes, we danced in the flames, spun tales in the skies. Your lips were a promise, sweet nectar of eclipse. Our love turned to ashes, and my heart's enslaved. In shadows we lingered like ghosts in the night. The passion we harbored, now a fading light. Oh, the fire burned bright, but the embers grew cold. What was once an embrace is now bitter and old. I once believed in love, in the dreams we would weave, but now all that's left are the lies we believe. Once upon a time, your touch was my song, a symphony played where our hearts would belong. You whispered sweet nothings, like a lover's fierce plea, but we felt like the autumn leaves scattered and free. Your words felt like daggers, piercing deep in the dark. I sought for salvation, but you left just a mark. Oh, the fire burned bright, but the embers grew cold. What was once an embrace is now bitter and old. I once believed in love, in the dreams we would weave, but now all that's left are the lies we believe. Now I walk through the ruins where our laughter once thrived. The echoes of passion have all but died. I buried my heart in an unmarked grave. No wife, no forever, no chains that enslave. Once we flew so high, now we're bound to the ground. A love turned to ashes, scattered all around.